So a common misconception with chiropractic is that when we're adjusting you, we're putting your bones back into place. And I just want to clarify that that is not the case. When you're getting adjusted, your bones aren't going back into place because your bones don't come out of place unless they're dislocated. What we're doing, what the goal of an adjustment is to restore range of motion to the joints. When I make an adjustment and you hear and feel those cracks and pops, it's not your bones shifting back into place. It's gas bubbles popping while that range of motion is being restored in the line of drive that I'm adjusting you in. So just want to clear that up for you guys. Your bones aren't out of place. We're just fixing that range of motion that you're missing.